stuff that I just put in there because I copied from Notepad++ instead of editing it in, or instead of editing it in Notepad++, I was doing it here, which is fine. I just need to go back and make sure that what I'm doing is correct and matches up. And the good thing is that once I start clicking on this, it does underline something where it sees that it's missing the appropriate brace for it, so that's helpful. So I put that in, now that's there. Okay, now just make this easier and keep this all. So another way to write this would be to do it this way, would be to do it like this. And then you would put your statement here, put function. I think I was just making it harder on myself, so okay, it actually ran the code this time with seemingly no errors. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just try to enter in some numbers here. Okay, so it basically says you found the 8-ball, you want to find out whether or not what the answer to this question is. So we're going to shake it. We're going to shake it 0 times, and it says this is what we want it to say because 0 is outside of the range of numbers that we are looking for. So it returned this charming little phrase of did you drink? That number's no good. I'm going to run this again, and I'm sure there are ways to do loops where you can repeat this program after pressing a certain key or whatever the case may be. That might be what that return is for. That I don't know. I haven't gotten there yet. So we're going to do a 1, so that is not an even number. So that should return a false, which is a 0, which is good. Okay. We run this again, we put in a 2, return a 1, which is correct, and then we just want to do a 10, which is an even number, and then return a 1. I'm going to do the number 9, return a 0, and then finally we're going to do an 11 to return the else statement that's here. So that is me essentially trying to figure out if I could use a Boolean within a ternary operator. Now, if I wanted to be more creative with this, I wouldn't use the Boolean for just a simple one, print one no, true or false. I would probably do something like this. gonna write something similar. Okay, so drinker. Okay, so we're going to do two things. I'm going to do this to do an age check, which is another program that I've written previously, and then I'm going to do just a silly little follow-up on the age check, which is if you look here, actually this is the code that I wrote previously for it, for the age check. And I was using basically Boolean values to do a true-false check. Which would be, you know, if you're at 21 or older, you can drink. If you are 0 years old, that's essentially an invalid age. Or less than 0 rather. It would mean you were not born, and that is obviously an invalid age. And then I'm going to do false. So, you know what? I think I will just take this code, and I think I will just scab my own code that I've done and do this. I need to declare what age, what I'm going to be looking for. So I'm going to use an integer of age. I believe that's what I was using. And then yes, okay, that's what I was using. So I'm going to put that here, and then do my scan function. The classifier of age. And then if age is greater than or equal to 21, it's a true statement. And then I print true. If it's invalid, I print this. So I need to probably declare my Boolean values now, because your bool statement should be below. Your scanf. So let me double check and see here. Okay, I think I can get away since I've using basically the bool library. I don't need to actually declare anything, just because I'm saying if age is true, print true. And I think it's probably going to be, honestly, it's going to be ignoring this, the Boolean statement anyway that I put in here, because I think it's just going to be doing the check on age, and then it's going to just do the printf of true. So I don't even think the boolean is going to be checked here, so I could probably get rid of it, but we'll do this anyway. Okay, what does it tell me here? Okay, I also need to declare my integer of choice. I think I'm gonna have to do it lower, make the code work. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yep, and I've got to put my let's try this again. Okay, enter a number of shakes. We're going to do 8. It's going to return our Boolean value of 1. Now I need to make sure that when it returns that, it carries down to the next line. So it's going to enter the value, and then it's going to do a new line entry. What did I do? 8. Okay, there's my, not the cleanest looking, but it is what it is. There's my Boolean value of the 1 for the true. Can you be a true drinker? So let's enter our agent of 0.